Alexa, 4.
That was a power one.
What's
Try asking me
terrible?
for a pooey fart. Or say random.
Right, here are some words.
That was a power one.
But chicken.
Try asking me for an angry
duck.
fart. Or say
I'm a
random.
duck. Quack, quack.
Alexa, shut up.
Okie dokie.
Oh my god, she's annoying, isn't she, Simon?
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Okay, I'll be right back.
Bye.
Bye.
Man, let's go. Give me a big kiss. Give me a big kiss. Give me a kiss. Alright. Okay, right, so it works. Uh-oh. Give me a big kiss. Can I have a kiss? Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Okay, you ready to work? You ready to all in music? Bo, 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 bo. Okay, ready to work? Alright, you ready to go? Alright, go pee, pee. Alexa. Come on, let's dance. You ready to work? You ready to work? Okay, red chicken. Book, book. Red butt chicken. Book, book. I'm a book, book. I'm a turk. Quack, quack. I'm a duck. Alexa. Baby girlfriend. You love me red butt chicken? Book, book. Red butt chicken. Book, book. I'm a turk. Quack. I'm a duck. Quack, quack. Alexa, 4.